Hello kids, how are you all? Now we are going to learn fruits name. Let's we start. A P P L E apple apple. B A N A N A banana banana. G R A P E S grapes grapes. O R A N G E orange. P A P A by A papaya. W A T E R M E L O N watermelon watermelon. M U S K M E L O N muskmelon. P E A R pear pear. P I N E A P P L E pineapple pineapple.